So small form factor builds have been very popular for some time now, and recently I did a project with NVIDIA where I used a mini ITX case. Now, I wanted to take that opportunity to do a time-lapse video here, but also sort of reintroduce that small form factor case here because I think it's pretty cool. And I also think that probably not many people know about it because it was released a couple years ago in very small batches to open air enthusiasts. This is the Calypso by Yuel Beast. Now, I have made a video about this case already early last year, and it's basically the ITX case that has infinite cooling. Like, I seriously don't know any other ITX cases on the market that can fit up to 5 radiators. Not only that, but the case is so versatile, you can mount it in any direction you want, whether it be laying down on its back, on the long side, the tall side, upside down, left or right sided desk setup. Seriously, any option you want, which is why I think the boundaries that the Calypso was pushing was something I just simply wanted to show people, even if it's not your style, since this is considered pretty niche and boutique. Like, just to show that something like this exists. That's it. So, just because you can fit 5 rats on there doesn't mean you should. I mean, it's still got to be sensible to some degree of practicality and form, right? But really, all of those radiators was really just to show you where and what your mounting options are. Now, I won't be talking much more here because this is supposed to be a time-lapse build, and this project is for NVIDIA's GeForce Garage, which showcases the 4080 Supercard, and parts will be listed down in the description below. Now, also note that there were some pieces of the panel that I had custom designed myself, and they were meant to be modifications to the Calypso case. Also, a huge thanks to Asus for sending the Z790 ITX motherboard and power supply, Alphacool for providing some of the water cooling hardware, Yuel Beast for providing the Calypso case, and CableMod for providing the PSU custom cables.